Do we have to get rid of it?
Honey, it's for the best.
Yeah, but that old thing's been around ever since we got married.
I know, but it barely runs. It's starting to smell. And just yesterday, it leaked all over the floor.
Well, what do we do with it? We can't just bury it in the backyard.
Leave it to me. I'll take care of everything.
Refrigerators operate 24/7, and they consume a lot of energy. Having a second refrigerator can raise the cost of your energy bill by up to 40%. If you're a Burbank resident with a second working refrigerator that you really don't need, have we got a deal for you. Through Burbank Water and Power's Refrigerator Roundup program, we'll pick up your second refrigerator as long as it's fully operable, and then we'll environmentally recycle it and credit your utility bill with $100. Sound good? Getting rid of that second refrigerator can save you up to $260 annually. All you need to do is call 1-888-333-3938, and we'll do the rest. For more information, log on to our website at burbankwaterandpower.com.
Hey, Lucky, you want to go for a walk, boy? Lucky? Lucky?